A warm welcome to all the students in the second video of the distant learning program PGDM. So today we are going to discuss a very important topic, and the name of the topic is selling vs marketing, that is selling versus marketing. I will tell you why this topic is so important right now. There are two terminologies, selling and marketing, which are used interchangeably, but there's a lot of difference between these two terms. So I'm going to tell you that what selling exactly is and what is marketing.
Between selling and marketing. These two terms are used interchangeably in the today's era, but there is a lot of difference between both of them. And I will tell you that why actually is marketing so important in today's era and not selling. We have been told to follow the process of sales and selling in the organizations, but actually it is not the selling which brings volumes and profits to the company, it is the marketing. So I will just tell you about the basic differences between selling and marketing. The first thing is the starting, that where actually selling starts and what is the conception of selling and what is the starting of marketing. The starting of selling is factory. I will tell you why I have used the word factory here. It means that the products which you manufacture in the factory is what you are going to sell. You don't know what the customer wants. You only know your products. You only know the features of your products, and you as a marketer just want to sell it. So the selling starts at factory. But in contrast to it, the marketing starts at the marketplace where the customers are there. So here in marketing, we should know the customer needs and the products are made on the basis of their needs. So the selling starts at factory, but the marketing starts at the marketplace. The second very important thing is the means, like how we are actually doing the sellings, what are we selling. So if we talk about the concept of selling, we sell the existing products which the company is making. We as sellers, we as marketers, we as the company management sell the goods which are already there, which may or may not be needed by the customers. These are the goods which are produced in the company and we are just selling it. But in marketing, we first have to take care of the customer needs. We go out to the market, understand what the customer wants, do a research of that, and then finally come back to the factory and make those kind of products which they actually want. The third important thing is what we are actually doing in selling and marketing. So if we talk about selling, we are just advertising and promoting the products which we have made in our factories, in our companies. We don't know what the customer wants. We just know that we have some products with us and we just have to sell them. But if we talk about marketing, we follow a holistic view. We use the concept of integrated marketing. This concept refers to the practice of using the 4 P's of marketing, which we have also discussed in the previous video. That is, in integrated marketing, we not only do the promotions, we also follow the other 3 P's, which is the designing of the product, the pricing, and the place where we want to keep our products. So in marketing, we can say that we follow all the 4 important things which are necessary to sell your products. But in selling, we are only doing the advertising and promotions of the product. The last but not the least is the end. What is the end of these concepts? If we talk about selling, we do earn profits from selling, which are short term. The profits are earned on the basis of volumes of product which we have sold, or we can say that we are only concerned about the quantity of goods which we have sold. But in marketing, the profits are earned through customer satisfaction. If the customer is satisfied with our product, he will definitely buy it, and that too in a long term. So we can say, in other words, also that selling is a short term process of selling or earning profits. But marketing is actually a long term process of earning profits.